made it to another lookout, and the views of the surrounding mountains and valleys are pretty epic. This lookout is somewhat maintained and it's in pretty good shape. And you can tell that people are respecting this one, so that's good to see. So we came off the mountain where the lookout is because it was too windy here and we're looking for a place to camp, and we stumbled across this beauty, and we're here on a weekend and I cannot believe that there's nobody else here. We have this whole place to ourselves. It's amazing. And the fish are jumping. So if you're a fisherman, wow, there is rainbow trout everywhere in this lake. It is clear and it's stocked. We're all packed up and ready to go off to the next fire lookout. So stay watching and we'll show you some more epic scenery. Well, we made it up to the Nahatlatch Fire Lookout, and the views up here are pretty epic, even though it's a little bit of a cloudy and overcast day. This is a very nicely maintained and kept fire lookout. This one was actually restored and rebuilt and looked after by the Four-Wheel Drive Association of BC. The road coming up here is getting a little weathered due to erosion over the last couple of years, so be prepared to use your four-wheel drive in your low range if possible. And when you're visiting here and you're about to leave, please remember to close and lock the door. Andrew joined us today with his HJ81, HDJ81 diesel. So, you know, having fun with some friends, right? What are you airing up to? 41. So we're all packed up, ready to go. We're gonna head up to our next adventure. We're gonna see if we can get to another fire lookout. So stay tuned, and well, the fish are jumping. Woo!